Have you ever found hair that you loved, but didn't quite match your texture? Did you know that you can create the Yaki texture yourself? Creating Yaki-textured hair is a very specialized process in hair factories. Yaki-textured hair is created through careful steam processing, micro-crimping, and heat treatment to replicate natural Afro hair that has been straightened or pressed. The factory uses steam chambers, crimping plates, rollers, and pressing machines, along with industrial washing and conditioning systems to produce durable, natural-looking textures. Our video will demonstrate how you can create the Yaki texture and volume at home. Please note that this video demonstration is not for synthetic hair. Let's begin. You will need a parting comb, clips, and a crimping iron. Select your desired crimping plate. I am using the M-Wave plate. Plug in your crimping iron and select your plate. Brush through your hair to remove knots and tangles. Divide your hair into small, even sections. Use clips or hair ties. Start working from the bottom layers and move upward. Take one section of hair, about 1 inch wide. Place it between the crimping plates near the root. Press down firmly for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and move the crimper down the same section, aligning with the previous crimp so the pattern stays continuous. Repeat until you reach the ends of the strand. For more volume, crimp every section of hair. For less volume, crimp every other section of hair. You may comb or brush through the hair to loosen the pattern. If you desire a Yaki straight or Yaki perm appearance, use your flat iron to soften the texture. Check out the difference. Here's the new texture, ready for styling. Try this technique and let us know what you think.